Today we're going to see how to convert any number into its square. There are three. The first one can only be used if the number you're trying to square has a 5 in the ones place. So, for this trick, you must know that the first two digits are 25. Then you use a subtract by one more by one before. So, in the case of 315 squared, we first put 25 and then after writing 25, we ignore this 5. Okay? Now, we multiply our 31 by one more than one before, as the math sutra said, which is 32, and if you go through the calculations, you'll get 922. So now you just combine the 922 and 25 and voila! Our answer comes out as 99225. And this works for any number as long as it is starting with 5 in the ones place. Now let us move to another example so that you can get the hang of it a little better. Now here we have 625 squared. As we go, we first put 25 as the first two digits because that's what we'll do. Then we multiply 62 by one more than one before, and then that is 63. So 62 times 63. Again, going to the calculations, you will get 3906. Then we write 3906 in front of our 25 and our answer is 390,625. Let us move on to the next trick. The next trick works for numbers which are close to a base. And when I say base, I'm not talking about the base of a tree. I'm talking about the powers of 10. That is 10, 100,000, those numbers. Now, here is an easy way to multiply the two numbers if you're in this case. I've just given one example because this can take time. So, here we have 1038 squared. So, we write it as usual. Now, we write two columns, one with the two numbers and other. Here, we are going to subtract 1000 from this number to get this. Now, this is bigger. However, if it was something like 991, then this would be negative. And then, you then write your difference. In this case, 1038 minus 1000 is 38. So, I've written plus 38. And if you want, you can write 038 because that makes sense. After all, 1000 has 3 zeros and this could have 3 digits. And you do the same for the other number, but it will be same. So plus 38 plus 38, it will also be minus, but in this case I gave plus it. Then here is the next step. You add your number. You add diagonally, means adding these two numbers or these two numbers. It will give you the same result. While squaring, you can add this way or two. However, most times, in regular multiplication, you have to multiply diagonally. However, this is squaring. So, we add them to get 1076. And we put 1076 as the first 4 digits. But something could change as we move on to our last step. Here we multiply these two numbers. So 38 times 38, or 38 squared basically, is 1444. Now here comes a rule called the placement rule. Now 1000 has 3 zeros, so there must be 3 digits. Any more digits will be carried over and added. In this case, there is 1, so we add 1 to 6, and we have 7. And there pops our answer, 107744. And if there any number, it is just 3 digits, then you just put the 3 digits and don't add anything. And here's our last trick. Here, this trick can be used to multiply any two two-digit numbers. For example, 67. I have given 3 examples. 67 squared, let's say. So first we square the number in the 10th place. In this case, we square 6, and that is 36. Then we multiply 6 and 7, and that gives 42. Finally, we square 7, and that gives us 49. Now we copy the number in the middle. In this case, it's 42. And we copy it down like this, and then we add. So first, we take the first digit over here. It's 9. We put it down and carry over 4. We add 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 4 is 8. And then we have 4 plus 4 again, 8. Carry over that. And we have 4. Carry over the 1. I did not show it, but you can write. And we have 4 over here. So, and then you combine these 3 and we have our answer, 4,489. Now 2 more examples. 87 squared. Now here, the first step is we, of course, square 8, 64, multiply 8 times 7, which gives us 56, and finally we square 7, which is 49. Now duplicate the 56 below, and then you add. Bring down the 9 in this case again, and you carry over 4. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 6 is 16. Put the 6 down, and then you put 1 over here. 1 plus 5 is 10 plus 5 is 15. And that's why I did a little mistake. Actually 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11. So it is 11. And now this may look weird, but we actually carry over the whole 11. We add 1 to the 4, so we have 5. And then the other 1 to the 6, which gives us 7. And now we have our answer, 7,569. One more example, 77 squared. Now in this case, 7 squared is 49. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 squared is 49. And this is a really weird case, and it is this. If both the tens place and the ones place have the same number, then all the 3 numbers, the square of the tens digit, the product of the 2 digits, the tens and the ones place, and the square of the digit in the ones place will all be the same. Keep that in mind. So now we just duplicate our 49 and then we add. We put down the 9 and carry over 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. We put the 2, carry over. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then we add 4, which is 10. Put the 10. Nothing happens to 9 because 0 plus 9 is of course 9. And 1 plus 4 is 5. And there comes our answer. 5929. 5,929, I mean.